by considering the oral and documentary evidence on record, trial court by judgment dated 25/2/2004 acquitted the appellant. Aggrieved by the judgment of the special court, state has preferred criminal appeal within bracket MD number 6 of 2015 before the Madurai bench of Madras High Court. The Madurai bench of Madras High Court, by impugned judgment and orders, has reversed the acquittal and convicted the appellant for the offences under section 7, 13 within bracket 2 and 13(1)(d) of the Act, and imposed the sentence of rigorous imprisonment for 1 year and imposed the penalty of rupees 5,000. Aggrieved by the conviction recorded and sentence imposed by the impugned judgments and orders passed by the High Court, accused is before this court in these appeals. We have heard Sri S. Nagmathu, learned senior counsel appearing for the appellant and learned counsel for the state of Tamil Nadu. Sri Nagamithu, learned senior counsel appearing for the appellant, by taking us to the evidence and other material on record, has submitted that the well-reasoned judgment of the trial court, which was rendered by appreciating oral and documentary evidence on record, is reversed by the High Court without recording valid and cogent reasons. By relying on a judgment of this court in the case of Murugan and others versus State through Inspector of Police 2012 10 SCC 383. Mainly, it is contended that the finding recorded by the trial court is a possible view having regard to evidence on record, and even if other view is possible, same is no ground to reverse the acquittal and to convict the accused. By referring to findings recorded by the trial court, it is erroneously argued that the view taken by the trial court is a possible view, and without recording any contra finding to the same, the High Court has convicted the appellant. Leave granted. The appellant assails his conviction under sections 376, 323 and 341 of the Indian Penal Code, in short IPC, sentencing him to 7 years, 1 year and 1 month respectively, with fine and a default stipulation. The prosecutrix PW9 lodged FIR number 25 of 1999 on 13/4/1999 Stop.